Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are building a 65-watt fast charger using SW3518 Type C fast charger module and an old Dell laptop charger rated at 19.5 volts and 3.34 amps. If you are into DIY electronics and wants to repurpose old hardwares, this project is perfect for you. Most modern smartphones and laptops supports fast charging through USB power delivery, that is PD, or quick charger, that is QC. The SW3518 chip supports QC4.0 and PD3.0, which means we can turn a regular laptop charger into a powerful fast charger with our Dell charger providing 19.5 volts at 3.34 amp. We will get roughly 65 watts of output power, enough to charge laptops, tablets and phone quickly. So before starting, please check whether the Dell charger is working perfect or not, and the output from the charger is 19.5 volt and 3.3 ampere. Okay, so I have already tested this and you can see the light is blinking. So I'm going to continue with next step. The Dell charger outputs 19.5 volts DC. We will feed this directly into the SW3518 module's input terminals. The module negotiate with the connected device using the PD and QC protocols and adjust the voltage current accordingly. For example, 5 volts, 9 volts, 12 volts, 15 volts or up to 20 volts depending on the device needs. So first cut the Dell charger's output cable and expose the wires. Identify the positive, usually white or blue, and negative, black wires. Connect them to the input terminals of the SW3518 module. Secure the connections with soldering. The white wire is the positive and the black one is the negative. We are not going to use the blue wire. I have cut the blue wire which is not required. So it is done now, and you can also mount the module in a small case or enclosure for a safety. Remember, the lithium batteries or high power chargers can be dangerous if mishandled. Always insulate the connections, avoid the short circuits, and don't exceed the rated current of your adapter. This project is for DIY with basic electronics knowledge. This is my old phone, which uses 5 volts and 2 ampere to charge around 10 watts of power. Let's connect and check whether it is working or not. So it is working. Now I am going to connect my power bank, which uses the fast charging PD, that is the power delivery protocol, to charge. So you can see my charger is using 19.1 volts and 0.8 ampere. Power bank is already 63% charged. It is using less power. Currently I don't have a any other load to connect here and show you the maximum output provided by this a DIY charger. So but it should be means it should be near to 65 watt. Even if this DIY charger is providing 80% of the efficiency, the it should provide a total power output of around 50 to 60 watt. Okay, that is enough for our daily use. And that's it. We have successfully built a 65 watt fast charger using the SW3518 module and an old Dell charger. A greater way to recycle old hardware and get modern fast charging performance. If you enjoyed this build, hit the like button, subscribe for more DIYs electronics, and share this video with your friends. See you in next one.